Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Crypto Insider channel. It's December 27th, 2019. Thank you for stopping by, and as always, we appreciate any likes and any subscribers we can get. We've got 14 new subscribers since yesterday. Oh my goodness, you guys have once again set off the subscriber harp. There it goes. Wonderful. So we'd like to thank Simo Haikila, Jose Aguilar, D Nice, FD, and Mark Smith. Listen to that shimmery goodness. We're up to about 86 subscribers, with the last batch of 14 all donated to the Good Souls group. For every subscriber we get, we donate some XRP. I think right now it's around 0.9 something. It's almost 1 XRP per subscriber. It depends. Sometimes we miss one, sometimes we donate a few extra. It's not an exact science here at the Crypto Insider channel when it comes to subscriber donations. But check out the Good Souls group. They will aggregate your donation across 8 or 9 worthy charities. There's St. Jude's in there, Earth Cleanup, Tree Planting, Children in Need, all of that. You can donate to them as well by using the XRP Tipbot app and sending it to @GoodXRP. Keep in mind, I am not a financial planner, a registered investment advisor, a tax accountant, or anything regarding investing. I'm not giving you investment advice. I am merely adding some information to your toolkit. And with that information, you can either, suffer your own consequences or reap your own rewards based off your decisions. Hopefully you're doing more reaping than suffering. That's the name of the game. We have some stories today regarding XRP Price, Bitcoin Price, or Bitcoin Price story that I'd like to point out to you. But the first story comes from Cointelegraph, and it's by Rachel Wolfson, I believe. Rachel Wolfson. YouTube reinstates more crypto-related content, admits to mistake via Twitter. More crypto-related content is being re-enabled on YouTube after several days of unilateral deletions and non-communication from the video giant. Now, when this story broke, we didn't talk about it here on the channel because it didn't affect any of my videos. Again, I'm small potatoes. But even with that, they've largely left the XRP community alone. I think they were probably going after scammers. There's a lot of, you'll see live streams of Brad Garlinghouse is going to give you all this XRP. That's not the way it works, folks. Refer back to our other video where we tell you that Brad Garlinghouse is not giving you free XRP. It's not going to happen. YouTube responded 3 hours ago via Twitter to YouTuber Carl the Moon regarding the crypto-related videos that have been removed from the platform this week. @Team YouTube responded to a previous tweet sent by Carl the Moon on the matter, stating today, "Hey there. This was an error on our side during the review process. Your video should be reinstated and strikes resolved. Let us know if you're seeing otherwise." Well, it's nice of them to admit their mistake and get back to you. It is a bit scary. We're in a speculative cryptocurrency market, but if those videos were political or it doesn't matter what they are. Free speech is a thing that we like, and that we definitely want to support, and to have YouTube single-handedly striking them down is a bit scary. And so you've seen some of the other YouTubers talking about other platforms where they could share their videos just to sort of avoid the possibility of having them take down your video. One thing I didn't talk about when I talked about the At Good Souls group, I just wanted to give them a shout out. These are some of the charities that they give to: St. Jude's Children's Hospitals, One More Home, Fielder of Hope, Children on the Edge, Happy Kids, Dirty Hands, XRP Tree Project. So you can be helping all these things just by clicking the subscribe button at the Crypto Insider channel. Retweeting and liking and all that stuff helps us. It helps us show in the YouTube algorithms. So we definitely appreciate all that. Okay, enough stumping for subscribers. Let's get into some price analysis. This is why people stop by the channel. I'm not a chart analyst. I'm not a technical analyst. I have worked in the banking industry for longer than I'd care to admit. I think I'm at 16 years in the banking. Before that, I was into healthcare. And I may actually do a video on that because, a lot of these YouTubers were all talking about ODL and cross-border payments, where we think Ripple and XRP have their wheelhouse. But there are many other opportunities for XRP or some other cryptocurrency to break into things like healthcare, and I might do a video that goes into that, but not now. Okay, Rudy Vora says XRP may finally get back from its long slumber of a downtrend as it touched the weekly critical support from where we saw its meteoric rise in the previous bull market. Weekly prices couldn't do a support resistance flip of the key level at 0.30 around October 2019 as denoted by the orange line in the below given chart. That would be this one. Let's see, and now it's supported by the critical support at 0.187. Prices are the lowest Bollinger Band. I'm not going to go into what a Bollinger Band is. And it will try to return to the mean average of 0.254, represented by the red curve. Relative strength index is at 32.71, which is skewed towards the oversold area, and Stoch, I don't know how to say that, relative strength index is indicating that the prices are oversold. Momentum may shift, and XRP might see a price reversal. XRP might see a surge in price till 0.254 2.30. If it is successful in the support resistance flip of 0.30, XRP will see a new trend. One price point that I am watching for is 0.27. I think once we get past that even, we might be able to say that we've seen a trend reversal. It disagrees a little bit with this analysis by Rudy Vora, but again, technical analysis is not an exact science. It's just showing us one possibility. If there was a spot on analysis or if there was a spot on method of doing this, everybody would be rich. Daily XRP prices have found support at a weekly critical support level, currently trading under 9 days simple moving average, 21 days and 49 days represented by the blue line, which is this. It goes on to talk about some Fibonacci levels. I'm not going to get into Fibonacci levels and golden ratios and things like that. But these lines are the Fibonacci lines, these horizontal lines. I think we'll stick to the conclusion that says there is an opportunity for the day traders as XRP may see a short-term bounce towards its previous support. But for the complete reversal, it needs to do a flip of 0.30 level. If it fails to hold this weekly critical support at 0.18, XRP may be in a downward price discovery mode for the support area. And that means we haven't found the floor if we can't maintain 0.18 cents. I've seen a lot of different TA predicting the floor of XRP. Just like you see predictions of XRP going to 1,000 or 28 or 589 or any of that, that's trying to predict the ceiling. Predicting the floor is the other way. How low can it go? And I've seen predictions all the way down to 0.07 cents or 7 cents. I've seen 12 cents. I've seen 17 cents. I think it's probably more in the realm of 14 cents myself. If it breaks below 10 cents, then I would start to worry. Um, but we're not near that. It would have to lose double its value, and for that to happen, Bitcoin would have to tank as well. Uh, that segues us into our next article that I wanted to point out by Alex Dovbinya. I love his name, and it's very Russian. I don't know if he is Russian, but it's a Russian sounding. Um, we have covered Alex before on the channel. Here he does an interview with Craig Wright, fake Satoshi, who's predicting that Bitcoin will never manage to touch its all-time high again without someone going to jail. And I think he's responding here to Tim Draper saying it's going to go to 250,000 or a million. I just wanted to point it out and say that Craig, I don't know what you're doing here, but but the cryptosphere is littered with people making predictions about what Bitcoin will not do. I don't have the Wayback Machine on me right now, but if I did, we could find articles saying that Bitcoin isn't going to $1. So just putting that out there without some analysis behind it is it's reckless. It probably gets your name in the news, but good for you there. So the article we read earlier about price needing to break what was it, 0.30, according to Rudy Vora. Let's see where we're at. Let me refresh this. All right, so we're kind of mixed right here with our moving averages. Interestingly, still up 0.12% over the past 7 days, and still holding at 0.18791. 19 cents seems to be over the past week or two the flirting resistance that we're kind of occasionally crossing and then occasionally going under. It's right in that range of 19 cents. So a strong outward move to 22 cents will definitely perk my ears up like a deer in the wild. uh, and 27 cents would 27 to 30 cents probably signal a reversal. I don't know that we're going to see that by the end of the year, but I do know that XRP goes in cycles, and generally trend reversals happen around the first of the year or the end of a year for XRP. I don't know why that is, and it's not just that way for XRP. It's that way for some of the other coins as well. That's all we have today. I mean, we pretty much covered it all. I think we did it pretty quickly. Thank you for all the likes, for all the subscribes, and if you were a subscriber to somebody in the crypto sphere and some of your favorite content is gone, check back. I think YouTube has reinstated some of those videos, so you may want to go back and re-like them or resubscribe to them so that they'll be easily accessible to you. So that's just a little bit of a PSA. I think YouTube's actually reinstating videos, so check for that. And we will talk to you probably tomorrow. We try to do it daily here at the Crypto Insider channel.